Hi all, welcome back to another episode of Lifestyle Adventures Oz. We have been contacted by one of our lovely subscribers and a fellow member from our Arctic camping products. And she has sent us some products, and she's today's sponsor of this video, and we are going to show you and do an unboxing of what she has sent through. All we've done so far is slip the top. So we are going to open these products together. Her name is Jennifer Law, and she's the head designer at JP Laserworks, and they do laser engraving and cutting. I've seen photos of her products and they are amazing. She's not affiliated with Arctic. She has approached Arctic and she has been given permission to do this engraving for Arctic customers to buy. So how about you sit down and let's get into it. I'll show you, or we'll put all the links and everything in the end, and I will tell you how you can order these products. So, the box arrived last Friday and we've been dying to get into them. So let's have a little look. Wow.
Oh wow.
So this is, look at that etching. The Arctic camper etching, and it's actually
really deep. It's not just like, you know,
it's not a stamp.
It's not like a stamp or a branding or anything like that that you see some other people do. I reckon it's a good 1.5 to 2 mils deep. I'll hold it up for you and I'll have to try and. Can't really get it on camera, the depth of it, but it's mint.
It is amazing.
Yeah, that's cool.
This actual board is $30. What a bargain.
Yeah, that's nice.
So I'll pass them to you and you can pop them on the floor. We've got a box full here.
And can she do more products than this, or is this everything that they do? Or?
No, she can do, she says on the back here, she can do personalised items, t-shirts, store signs. She even does headstones.
Oh, wow.
Customise car parts. She can engrave furniture. She does a lot of real estate companies that they give these products away as gifts. She's just all over it. So Jen, you know, she was kind enough to send us all this, and
Thanks, Jen.
Thanks, Jen. You're a legend.
Bloody oath.
So this chopping board or cheese board, whatever you want to use it for, this one's $40. It's actually pretty big, hey?
Yeah. It's probably 15 mil thick.
It's the same etching there. Have a look at it.
Oh, that's nice and big too. So I should grab that plastic. Try and get it on camera so you can see it. So the Arctic one's much bigger on this top board. Same again, that 1.5 mil thick. You can see it's been machined. That's really nice. And look at the colours. Yeah, the grains in those
grain in
boards.
the wood is amazing.
So a bit of a difference here too. The small one's got like a rounded edge, whereas this one's got the flat edge, more square corners. This one's a bit more rounded.
So the small one 30, the bigger one 40. I'm so excited. What amazing Christmas presents.
Yeah.
Wow. This box just keeps getting better and better.
Oh wow.
This is a cheese board. And
oh wow.
Oh
It's
wow.
like Christmas.
Look, it's got a hangy It's half marble, half wood, and look at the etching on it.
I don't know if it is marble. You can't say if it's marble if it's not, but it's a marble pattern. Actually, it's good.
But wait, there's more. There is more to this little one.
I'm going to keep getting up and down just to show you these things. So the join, it's seamless. Nice piece of leather on the top to hang it. Again, the logo, it's bloody beautiful. Like a marbly, try and get it in the light for you, like a marbly finish. Definitely don't know if it is marble.
It comes with cheese knives. Look. So this one, what was it on the package? How much?
40.
$40 for this and the cheese knives.
Such a good product. If you've got an Arctic camper, well, it just fits, fits in beautifully, doesn't it?
I would possibly, I love this so much. I don't know whether I'd use it as a cheese board. I think I might hang it in our van. It's so
just as
nice,
a display.
eh? Yeah. Like the etching and the quality of it. That is just stunning. And these beautiful cheese knives. You go, Jen.
This is like Christmas.
But wait, there's more.
Oh, she's warm out here.
I love this time of year, all the plants are growing and you get to go outdoors and you get to have cheese platters and open beautiful products. Oh wow, this is really well wrapped.
Is it glass?
This is, you are gonna love this. This is a coaster.
Oh, is it stone?
These are $5 each. Can you see that?
It's actually, I can tell from here, it's stone.
Look at that. Don't eat it.
Sorry, I'm not going to eat it. It's got nice little foam, non-scratch, non-slip on the bottom.
But even look at the edging.
Yeah. So
Wow.
I'm just going to be getting up and down the whole time. So that's really cool. And the edging, like Deb said, it's almost like a piece of slate. It's like shale. It's
Yeah.
awesome. That's really cool.
You need to wrap that up
Are
properly.
they $10 each?
$5 each.
$10.
5.
What's that?
That's what they were wrapped up in.
$5 each, so buy a set. Bloody beautiful. That's cool. I like stonework. I like that sort of stuff.
No, you got to wrap it up 3 times.
I'm just going to put it down for now and we'll rewrap it. Keep going with the Christmas unwrapping.
We're still going.
Wow. Geez, what a bloody legend Jen is. That's a huge box of stuff.
Yep.
And that, keep in mind, that's not all the things she does.
I'm interested in what this one is.
Sorry about the neighbours whip slipping in the background.
Oh,
That's nice. That's really nice.
you need to get up again. That's glassware. Do you know what? What a great wedding present that would be as well. Not with the Arctic logo, as much as I love the Arctic logo, but having somebody's name etched on that. And I can see from behind it,
your business design.
from behind it, the Arctic logo is sparkling.
Yeah. Try and get it in the light. It's almost like it's, that's, I don't know how to describe it. Try and get it in the light so you can see the sparkle. It's amazing.
Do you reckon it looks a bit snowy, a bit frosty? Yeah, a bit frosty.
Yeah, a bit frosty. Definitely going to have to wrap that up.
I'm definitely going to order some of these, and they were $10. $10 a glass, and I can see the value in that. That is just beautiful.
Well, with your logo, you can get some Lifestyle Adventures was.
Yeah.
Maybe. If you got a business, or you know, put some glassware in your boardroom at work, or if you've got your own business, it's amazing.
We're still going. This little board is $30, similar to the first $30 one, but square.
It's nice, eh?
Yep.
Even you can see it in the light, the grains on the board and the. That's so nice.
It's just
Such a clean job. That machine she's got, it's awesome.
like if you were sitting down.
This one's actually a little bit thinner.
Yeah.
It's about 10 mil thick.
But if you were sitting down and you wanted just some cheese and bickies by yourself and a nice glass of wine outside, that'd be great.
Even if you're having dinner in a chair like this, like I hate eating, when we're camping, I hate eating off my plate off my legs. I like something stable to hold my plate. So that's perfect. Put your plate on there.
But you know what, when I make a lot of homemade pizza and I serve pizza on chopping boards, and I would more than happy serve a pizza to people on this.
Oh, yeah.
And I
Like
also,
a mini pizza.
yeah, I also serve burgers with chips on the side on boards like this. I just love it.
Yeah, that looks great.
So that is $30.
That writing, that campers, where it says campers, I don't know if you can see it, is so small, but it's so deep.
Give us
It's
a look.
got to be, look how clean it is. For such small lettering, like the E with the little lines and the gaps in the middle, it's over 1 millimetre deep and it's just clean cut. I've got a question for all you guys watching. Drop it in the comments below if you've ever noticed in the logo that there is a four-wheel drive towing a caravan.
Have you ever?
Yeah.
I haven't.
just
Show me.
Haven't you? I noticed it when we got our van. There's a four-wheel drive like a troopy and the caravan behind it.
Oh yeah.
The outline. Did you not know that?
No.
Yeah, so it's on the side of the van and everything.
I'm looking at our van now.
No, it's on the other side.
Yeah, right. Here.
It's jenlawjplaserworks at gmail.com. jplaserworks.com.au.
So, sorry, we've had to stop filming for a second because we were sweltering outside and we were getting sunburnt,
Fried.
weren't we?
Yeah.
So we've had to move under our carport where our van is, and just thought we'd do a bit of a wrap up on Jen's products. So Arctic family, get on board. These products are amazing. Getting now, leading up to Christmas, Jen's only got limited stock. And I'm sure as soon as Jen gets your orders, she will send them straight back out to you. But we are thrilled with the products. Hey,
Yeah.
so thanks, Jen, for reaching out. And
Thanks, Jen. Bloody awesome product.
Yep, I'm sure you'll be as happy as what we are with the quality, the prices, etc.
Yep. Yeah, so it's good to be part of the Arctic family. You know, we all support each other, and it's like with the Facebook page. If anyone's got any questions, everyone answers and people chip in, and that's what I love about being part of the Arctic family.
It's
all
amazing,
try and help
isn't
each
it?
other, yeah.
Yeah.
We've had other brands of campers before, and the community wasn't as good. So good on you guys for supporting us for one, and supporting Arctic. They're a bloody good company, and we love them, don't we? We're Arctic for the long haul.
Yeah, I just cannot speak highly enough about Arctic. The guys that work there, Brendan's
amazing.
He's just so dedicated to this company and so dedicated to their customer service, and the same as Kyle in Caboolture. They're just, you know, the wealth of knowledge between all these guys.
Yeah.
It's just amazing, and
Always prepared to go the extra mile to help you out.
yeah,
if anyone's stuck with anything.
we've only had a couple of small things go wrong with our van, but they went above and beyond, and I know they do the same for all of you guys as well. I just can't rate them high enough, and as Adrian said, we are with Arctic for the long haul. I'm sure, you know, over the years they're going to have different vans coming out, whatever, and we will still support them and...
Yeah, we love it.
Yeah, be with them. We love them.
Yeah, you hear horror stories, or you see it on Facebook, you know, of people buying different brand vans and no customer service, and this is what drew us to Arctic in the first place, and it's they're true to their word. They've bloody stuck with us, and you know, and all you guys. So it's bloody awesome.
In fact, just staying on that subject, we both saw a family who bought, I'm not even sure what van it was, but we were horrified. They had leaks in the shower.
I know what it was, but yeah.
What else
It was
did they
only
have?
7 months ago.
They had so many problems with this van. The van was practically falling apart.
Yeah, and they wouldn't warranty anything on it.
This poor family who actually live in their van,
Yeah,
they are just so distraught.
yeah. I won't say the name because you know I don't want any trouble from anyone. But you know, should have bought an Arctic.
That poor family, they're just going through hell at the moment.
Yeah.
And, you know, Arctic owners or other caravan companies, if you're watching this, I would, hand on heart, you would never have that problem with Arctic.
No.
Never.
No way. You know.
They've just got such a high standard. It's amazing.
And they pride themselves on their customer service. That's their big ticket thing. They want to be good for their customers and provide the service that's required. And you know, every van's going to have maybe something wrong with it from every company. You know, your $150,000 Aussie built van's going to have little problems. It's how the company stacks up, and you know, do they really want your business and they want it for the long haul, or do they want to get a good reputation? Arctic's getting a great reputation across online for their customer service, and it's for good reason. It's because they're the best, and as simple as that.
They are the best. That's what we believe. They're the best, and that's why we're staying with them for the long haul.
Yeah.
But getting back to Jen, you know, everyone get on board and support Jen, and you know, you won't be disappointed in her products.
Yeah,
hey,
bloody beautiful.
Yeah.
Bloody beautiful. Yeah. All right, we'll wrap it up, guys. So thanks for watching, and thanks, Jen, for supporting us, and thanks you guys for your support watching the videos. We've got a few more coming and some big plans heading into next year. So
Heading into 2025, we've
Yeah.
got huge plans.
Stay tuned.
So have a great rest of the weekend.
All right, guys. Catch you later.
Bye.